on.
100
They need
plus Air
gluing.
Jordan.
And it's,
Closet build part 3.
yeah, but they were gonna come apart anyway. They need gluing. 8.0 red and white, 8.0 blue and white, and then there's 9.5. I'm gonna get the trash can up out of here, okay? I just put it in here because I was throwing trash away as I was moving back and forth and moving this shit around. So anyway, 9.5. You know, nobody really cares about these, but they rare, so I scooped them. I know I don't see nobody with them, so I decided to scoop them and keep them. Now down here, way down there, there's another hybrid that are. I'm trying to get down. Let me get down there. God damn it! So we got a Jordan 11 Future. These are the Volts. These was the first ones. And they came out with the Oreos. I put the 23 on the back of there. Somebody gonna be pissed off about that, but I put the 23 on the back of mine. Just on this pair right here. Just to be fucking around. You know, I gotta be extra and do stupid stuff. But notice the other ones I didn't do that to. So the red ones, red and white ones, I didn't do that to them. I'm gonna leave these alone. I just did it to that one just to see, you know. A lot of people gonna say, "Oh, that's fake." No, it's custom, fool. The shoe is real. This is a Jordan Future. You can. It's got the 11 stuff on it, and a lot of people don't understand this. If they didn't make like these off-brand shoes, you wouldn't have the materials to fix your good ones, your good 11s. They just made sure you had some stuff out there in case you want to take that loose and put it on the other one. You could, and that's pretty much what a lot of these hybrids are. If I can really just show you, this is a whole 4 bottom. Okay, so that Jordan 4, this is it, and you can just take the top off of it and fix your other shoe, your good shoe with it. That's why they gave you hybrids. A lot of people call them poor man's. You can say what you want. I got them all. So, Future gray ones. Okay, so then we got another official Jordan 11. This is the IE, the International Edition. It was given to either China or Japan, and somehow I got a hold of them, and they sent me a pair. So I rocked them a couple times. Only problem with these is they got a bad crack in them. These are like super Jordan nothings. I wish I wouldn't have bought these. Well, yeah. Wish I wouldn't have bought these. These are just flights. I don't know what the hell they supposed to be. But if I'm on motor yard, do some dumb shit, kick around, and don't want to get, I'm not wearing them to be fresh. You know what I'm saying? I'm just doing them, wearing them to do shit in. So they had that. Here's a different one. These are Roy Jones Jr., the boxer trainers. Okay? Yes, they need glue. Okay? They need glue. And these, if the light hit them just right, certain parts of it glows and stuff. So I just copped them to pay homage to Roy Jones, who was one of the first people who had a Jordan brand that was a boxer. Here's a red pair. These are trainers. I forget the letterings. LT something. LX or, yeah, LX trainers or some shit like that. Now we finna get into Scottie Pippins and Anthony Hardaways, and then we're gonna get into the Kobe's and shit like that. So let me throw that back up there. Use the mothballs to keep bugs out of here. Bugs like to eat on stuff, and that's what I got this in here for. And yes, I have seen bugs up in here like, oh, this is a new little apartment area. We finna move in. No, the hell you're not. So anyway, way down there. Let's get it. we're at the bottom. Okay, we're at the bottom. This is the Scottie Pippen All Black Air Up Tempo, more up tempo. The blue version of the more up tempos. Okay, these just came out. I got these for $50 on eBay. Boy was having a bad time, and I was having a good time, and I bought them for $50. These are still $3.50 in your stores. This is a Pippen 2. It even got the name on it, so we ain't gonna argue about it, okay? This is the Pippen 2. It needs to be stuffed and get the creases out, and we good on that. This is the Anthony Hardaway. I'm gonna sit back in the chair. Anthony Hardaway rookie. Hope that's on the camera there. Anthony Hardaway rookie. You can see the other side is paying homage, or the other side has the foam posit material. This is where they started the foam posit from this, and they ended up adding it to the whole side of the foam posit. So these are the first ones, and then the foam posit came after. Air Pippen, no, Penny 1. Red and white. I don't know why, but it is. Okay. They need restoring a little bit. The black pair, they just had a release of the white, black, and blue pair. That's really one I wanted, but I copped these first, so we're gonna rock with them. Then, if you can see this is a Funko Pop. Michael Jordan. Still in the box. The box has been a little beat up because I be throwing it around and stuff, but whatever. This is the Air Penny 4. I got the blue to fix this, and I'm going to get to it here soon. Like I said, I'm going to put tabs on the ones I need to restore. I'm not in a hurry to try to wear them. All right, let's get this trash out of here. And then we got the Penny 5. All black. all black. Okay? And that's it for the closet. 9 shoes a piece. Except for the top row has 10 because that one is stacked on top of itself. And it's okay for that one. I'm still in the process of restoring a bunch of them. Alright, so here we go. We got this little shoe rack out here. Like I say, I got shoes that when I want to mow the yard or go to work, do some shit. Old Reeboks. This is the only pair of Reeboks I got. Reebok walkers. I don't know. Yeah, what else you gonna do but walking these junk? They got a good grip on them. So like I say, these are the Air Max LTDs. It's got like a royal blue, whatever. And these are coming off this, these are coming off that. I forget the name of these. But they're like a Jordan 3. Pythons. Yep, Nike Air Pythons. And it even says it right there on the tag. Air Pythons. Worn once, they really comfortable. Let me see how they go. They go like that. Then these are Air Max finger traps. Air Max 97. You see them? Air Max 97. Then once I get down to the end of it, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna talk to you about something that I used to think, and my thinking was stupid. But I'm gonna tell you what I thought.
Please see Part 4.